Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply press-ons for them to stay on 2+ weeks. So you're going to need a cuticle pusher, a nail drill, and then for the second method you're going to need a buffer, nail file, some glue obviously, and then a cuticle stick and alcohol pads. And then the nails that I'm using today are these. They're from my business, so click the link down below to shop. But let's get right into it. So I'm gonna start by make sure your hands are freshly washed, make sure everything's nice and clean, and I'm just gonna push back my cuticles. So after this step, you would normally clip your nails down, but I don't want to clip mine, so I'm not going to. I'm just gonna scrape my cuticles up like this. Drill, and I'm going to use this cuticle ball bit and just clean up around my cuticles. I'm just gonna brush my nose off like this, and then take this off, and I'm gonna use this with the sanding band, and I'm just gonna lightly buff the surface of my nails. Buffed and everything, I'm just gonna take a nail file and just file the edges of my nails down. With this, you just want to be really careful. Like I said before, these are the nails that I will be using. So I like to put a little bit of glue inside the nail, and then put glue on my finger. Make sure you put enough glue, but not too much. And then I'm just gonna stick it on my nail. You see where I got a little air bubble? I try not to get as many of those, or try to do as this as possible. Alright, so you hold this for about 10 seconds. And it's gonna be stuck. I put a little bit too much glue on this finger. As you can see, it's sipping out the sides, but it's fine. Just take a little alcohol and remove it before it dries. this is what they look like when they're on. And y'all, they are on there, y'all. They're sturdy, like you can hit them and you're good. Y'all, these nails are so cute. It took me like not too long to do it. The charms are from Shein, and these are just some medium coffin length nails. I think these are cute. I miss coffin. I haven't had coffin in a minute. I've been rocking my short square, but these look good, y'all. Okay, now it's time to do the other hand. And now the other hand, I'm gonna show you using this prep kit. So if you were to order from me, your prep kit will come with instructions on basically telling you how to do everything I'm about to show you to do. In the removal process, it comes with a cuticle pusher, but actually, yeah, I'm gonna use this cuticle pusher to show you guys. Some sticky tabs, but I'm not gonna use these today. Comes with a buffer and a nail file. So we're gonna start just how we did the other one, and we're gonna start by pushing back our cuticles. Okay, so now we're going to basically do what we did the first time and just scrape our cuticles to make sure we get up all of the debris and dust. And now I'm just going to file my nail down. Take your buffer and just buff the surface like we did with our sanding band. Okay, so once you buff your nails, you're just going to wipe them off. And now we're going to take our glue and basically do the same thing we did the first time. Apply a little bit of glue inside the nail and some on our natural nail. So this is how my nails came out. They're super duper cute and they're sturdy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. See you guys in my next video.